And the top 4 characters of Bahubali are here in the studio with us as well. We'll talk more about that. But let me first go across to my colleague Akshita for a Chennai roundup. Today morning, shows were cancelled in at least 2 theatres of Chennai. 7:55 and 8:15 a.m. shows were cancelled in Chennai. Akshita, tell us why. And do we see the fans who are being refunded on these tickets? And will the other shows go on as planned?
Well, yes, Devina, a bit of disappointment for fans initially in the morning here in Chennai. The tickets have been refunded, yes, but the question is whether they can get tickets after this, considering that every single theatre has been completely booked off over the weekend. What we know at this point is that there is no permission whatsoever for early morning shows to run in Chennai. But there were theatres on the outskirts of Chennai in places like Punamalli and Coimbatore where they thought they could get away with actually running an early morning show. But the authorities clamped down on that, which is what left scores of disappointed facts. But, you know, going beyond those initial hiccups, I've got a couple of diehard Bahubali fans with me. I want to get a sense of what they're really expecting from the film. I want to go across to Shruti first. Have you managed to get tickets yet?
Yes, I got tickets for today's afternoon show and for tomorrow's afternoon show.
So I'm sure you're very, very excited. You have a few hours to go. You want to harbor one last guess on why Katappa killed Bahubali?
Probably because of mistaken identity. He would have thought it was someone else he was killing, but it's actually his own master.
Okay, so let's see if she's right on that. She's got a pretty good guess there. It could just be that, but you don't give out any spoilers either. Shreya, what about you? Have you managed to get any tickets?
No, not yet. I was just here to get the tickets, but I failed to get even online and even now.
You came in today to get tickets?
Yeah, because I failed to get online. And I'm really looking forward for the action scenes, especially the one which we expected last in the last series. We expect a little more this time. So let's see what Prabhas has to show us this time, or what SS has to show us this time.
So who are you rooting for, Prabhas or Rana?
Prabhas, for sure.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm rooting for Rana. What about you, Shruti? Who are you rooting
For Rana as well, because I'm a huge Rana fan.
Yeah, I get that. I understand why she's a huge Rana fan. I'm a big one as well. You know, fingers crossed at this point. A lot more excitement now in Chennai because 11 a.m. is when the show starts off, Devina. A crowd gathering here at
Have
this
you got
point,
the ticket,
yes,
Akshita?
there's
Have you got a
lot
ticket?
of question marks. So far,
Have you got a
early
ticket
reviews
as well?
have said the film is unbelievable, it's bigger and it's better.
Right, have you got a ticket as well?
Well, I wish. I came in early in the morning, but just like Shreya said, it's unexpected. You know, you can't get a ticket at this late.
No wonder.
You can't get it this morning.
Absolutely, no wonder then.
3-4 days ago. So no, I don't
My
have a ticket,
God,
unfortunately.
no wonder then the film is set to do 100 crore business this time round, and already it has crossed 600 crore in the first part. Now in the studio with us is also the 4 characters you can see there. Katappa is there, and I want to go to Nolan for that. Nolan, in the morning you just gave away the secret. In the morning you gave away the secret of the big question, why Katappa killed Bahubali. How are Bengalurians reacting to Bahubali 2? I understand 4 a.m. is the first show that happened there.
I didn't give away the secret. In fact, people are not willing to tell me the secret. I've been talking to everyone over here. Please tell me, why did Katappa kill Bahubali? And no one's willing to do that. But you know, I have something more interesting. These students around me over here, they have come all the way from Andhra to watch the movie right here. Why on earth would you do that?
So because excitement to watch movie in here. Yes sir, movie clarity, more effects.
Okay, but Devina, look at this. You know, when you say fan frenzy, check this out. Bahubali, and he has only worn this shirt, he says, just for the past 2 years, maybe what, 4 times?
Yeah.
Wow.
Really, I'm very excited to watch the movie. The first question I raise is why Katappa killed Bahubali. But when many of my friends called me and said the reason, but I did not listen to them. Okay. I have come here to watch the movie and I should know the reason why did he kill him. Okay. Really, I'm very excited to watch the movie. I'm very excited to watch Prabhas acting, Rajmouli's direction, Rana's fierce action, Anushka and Tamanna's acting, and Keeravani's music and background.
A true fan over there, not willing to divulge the secrets. And what are you expecting from this movie?
The main visual treat. Oh my God, I love that Rajmouli's direction, and the graphics are real too good. He used more technology that Indian cinema should learn from him. That's the reason why I love Bahubali. Oh my God, I love Bahubali.
Okay, so it's the pride of India. He loves Bahubali. This is it. So we're just waiting for the next show, which starts at 10:30. So at around 10:20, that is when we'll see this huge crowd of people actually rushing out. all happy. Like
Well,
we saw
Nolan,
in,
are they inspired? Are they inspired with how Prabhas and Rana have been able to build up their body as well? For 4 years, they've been working out to get the look right. Prabhas, who's been eating a special diet to put on the bulk weight and the muscles, are they all inspired by the look of Prabhas and Rana?
Let me ask this to him. He looks like it. I mean, are you inspired by the way these actors have, meticulously built themselves up?
Obviously, sir, I plan to make my body build, but my mom did not leave me.
Why?
Because she wants me how I am. Not needed to make my body too strained.
Scared of that girl?
Yeah. Obviously.
Well, they're all inspired by him, Devina, but see, like you said, most of the parents are not willing to do that. So maybe the actors over here are, well, a bad influence on some of the students over here with their parents saying, no, you're not supposed to do that, just be how you are.
Well, they're lucky because we'd seen the controversy about the Kaveri water and Satyaraj's comment, because of which the movie was stalled for release in Karnataka. All's well now as the cinema goers get to catch the glimpse of their favorite stars as well for Bahubali 2. Let me go across to Ashish, who's joining us this morning from Hyderabad. Ashish, I saw that there was Milk Abhishekam also for Prabhas's life-size poster where you're standing. Take us through how the fans are celebrating Bahubali fever in Hyderabad.
Devina, I'll start my show, my live, with the slogan Jai Maheshmati, because we are at the epicenter in Hyderabad at Sudarshan Theatre, and you can see how Bahubali craze has gripped the entire city. Completely, if you can ask my camera person, completely sold out, no tickets. For next 3 days, interestingly, no tickets. It's completely sold out here. However, few people are still in queue. They are hopeful that they'll get some ticket. They are expecting that they are lucky and they can get some ticket. If we talk about the fan followings, you can see how people are here. The young fans of Prabhas, they are wearing these kind of t-shirt. बाहुबली पार्ट 1 देखा, पार्ट 2 देखने का मौका मिला? अभी तक टिकट मिला आपको?
आपको मिल गया टिकट, आपका शो का मिल गया, अब देखना है जाके।
कितने बजे का शो है आपका?
11 बजे का शो है।
कितना एक्साइटमेंट है?
अच्छा रहता है वो एक्साइटमेंट का।
So definitely, if I can ask my camera person, these kind of posters and banners has been put out in entire theaters. These are fan posters in my left, in my right, everywhere you can see how Prabhas fan, how Bahubali fans has been gathered here. They are awaiting to get a chance to go inside the theater and to see the movie. Yes, there are musical bands here. Few moments back, they were playing, and now they are here. They are just here to watch the movie, watch the show. And this is the situation here in Hyderabad, Devina.
Right, be with me, Ashish, because I want to go quickly across to my colleague Radhika, who is joining us from the capital. Radhika, who's also spoken to Team Bahubali earlier as well, Radhika, and I can see that everybody is inside the theatre. Complete wipeout outside the theatre we can see in Delhi, because the film which is being dubbed in Hindi. Take us now through specifics of this film. You've been interacting with the team as well. How 2,500 VFX effects have been used, 800 plus stuntmen have been there in this movie. What's the special treat for Bahubali 2 for the fans this time?
Yes. You know, Devina, I was speaking to Rajamouli, and he actually specifically said that this time, for the second part, his budget has been much better. So he just does not have the leeway to kind of like, he wants to make the film even bigger and better. So that was his point. He hired not 1 or 2, but 5 big Hollywood stunt directors who have worked in films like The Avengers, Planet of the Apes, Avatar. So what you'll actually see for the first time in Indian cinema is special effects which rival Hollywood, literally. Apart from that, there have been technicians working on the sets for more than 2 years, 12 hours every day. There's a 100-foot gold statue of Rana, and Rana said the first time, he was overwhelmed looking at that when he walked on. In fact, the actors also said that the first time they came and met the director for casting in the film, they were shown a complete map with sketched villages, with crops, with what the people, how they lived, what they ate. It was that detailed. A special language again has been created for the barbarians in the film, which is actually one of the first in Indian cinema. Normally we see that in films like Lord of the Rings, where there were special languages and costumes and lights created for the characters. So what essentially Rajamouli has done has literally brought Indian cinema to the next level.
Absolutely, Radhika. In fact, it's one of the first Southern Indian movie of Tamil movie which has been dubbed in not only Hindi and Kannada and Malayalam but also French and Japanese, and that's been the global appeal of Bahubali franchise. Radhika, be with me because I want to play out that interview that you did with Tamanna, the lead actor of the film, who said that I am the climax of Bahubali. Let's see what she has to say.
Thank you so much for talking to us, Tamanna. To begin with, we're really looking forward to Bahubali 2. The one was absolutely fantastic, the beginning, so to speak. What can we look forward to from the second part?
If you meet anybody from the Bahubali team, they'll all tell you that the first part was only a trailer. And in fact, it was, the film actually did not have that strong a storyline, if I can say that. It was more of introduction of characters. And we were only trying to establish, who is playing what and what is the basic, the world of Maheshmati was established. But this part will be really interesting because it's going to show you the interpersonal relationships and the drama and the conflict. And the question of the year, or the question of what is the most important to India today would be by Katappa Kill Bahubali. That big question shall be answered.
Can you give us a little hint right now?
You know what, there have been so many memes on it and there have been so many jokes on it, and everybody has their own version of why Katappa Kill Bahubali, and actually people have had very long discussions with me as to what they think is the reason. Some people have actually gotten pretty close, but then I'm like, oh really? Oh really? Do you think that? So I've been dodging that question past 2 years and I think I've done a great job.
I have to ask you this, nowadays regional cinema is really overtaking Bollywood. We've seen Rajnikant's films, we've seen Endiran, we've seen Kabali last year, now with Bahubali, and there's so many movies, even 2.0 is coming up. Do you think now regional cinema is finally here to stay?
I always feel like regional cinema, of course now the media has so much more attention over it that you realize, but since God knows how many years, there were always remakes of the South version that we didn't know of, but they were always being made, and the South film industry was always creatively very, it was very, very active, and it always...
Do you think Bahubali was a game changer at any point?
Yes, it has changed the way people look at Indian cinema. People have definitely opened that, what we can do films in parts. Right. Because that was a format that we haven't seen before, and I'm sure directors would think twice before making a film in 2-3 parts, because it means the first part should do well for you to be able to release the second part. So, but yes, this is a new format that is coming. The period genre has been, of course, we've made a lot of period films, like there have been several films like Jodha Akbar and so many films that were period, but this is a completely fantasy based period, so that's what makes it unique, because it has no draw from any real person.
Well, all the best of Bahubali. We're really looking forward to it, and it was lovely talking to you.
Alright, getting you some breaking news at this moment as well. My colleague Akshay Nath, who's been outside the Chennai theatre, Rohini Theatre, where a lathi charge was also witnessed because they cancelled the morning shows. 2 people were arrested. She's getting us some more updates. Yes, Akshay, over to you.
Well, Davina, we know that the morning shows were cancelled throughout the state of Tamil Nadu, and the reason behind this is that the sub-distributor of the movie was supposed to be paying around 15 crores to the theatrical rights owners, and he has not been able to make that sum, and this is the reason why the distribution was stopped in the state. Right now we are getting to know from our sources that the producers have involved themselves and have continued a talk with the distributors as well as the theatrical rights owners, and have said that they've requested today the movie be released and that the sub-distributor pay the sum before tonight so that the movie can go on without any hindrance. It was a much hyped, anticipated movie, and we had seen that right from 3 a.m. people had been gathering outside various theatres in the city, but unfortunately most of them were returned back home disappointed, and many of them even faced lathi charge outside Rohini Theatre. And the reason behind all this is between the small issue of money between the sub-distributor and the theatrical rights owners, Devina.
All right, so in the talking stage where we can see this controversy being solved, and now the movie is back in theatres hopefully soon for all the Bahubali fans. Thanks so much, Akshaya, for joining us. Before we let you go, have you been able to get a ticket as well?
Show tonight, but let's see if the movie is actually released, and if like the crowd who are standing outside here at Woodlands Theatre, maybe even I might be able to watch the movie. But I have a ticket in hand. It's all matter of time, and I will be knowing why did Kattappa kill Bahubali, Devi.
Don't tell me now. Don't tell me now. Thanks so much, Akshaya. We'll come back to you in just a bit. With that, we have to wrap up this special edition of Bahubali 2 Returns. We will be back with the first verdict of the movie from theatres across India with more fans. We have to say goodbye right now with all the characters of Bahubali who are still with me, but nobody's leaking the secret out till now. What is the reason behind the Kattappa killing Bahubali, the cliffhanger that we saw in the movie, the concluding part out today, and we leave you with this special look at Bahubali franchise.